Previously on Wolf Among Us.
I mean, your eyes and the teeth. You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it. No.
Holly's sister, Lily.
I just don't know what Bigby's doing. If he cares about it. If he even gives a shit.
That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
We're destroying the tree. No!
We're not burning the tree, Snow.
Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you?
Look, maybe a few will get sent up, but you're my friend, Colin. I wouldn't do that to you.
Oh God, Bigby!
This time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue.
Bigby, wait. When you get the Crooked Man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial.
Why don't you have a seat, Sheriff? We have a great deal to discuss.
Enjoy the playthrough. Alright, let's begin the show.
You've come a long way.
I have to apologize that I wasn't able to stream this because due to technical issues that I have. I wanted to stream it, but unfortunately there were some technical issues with my computer, and it kept crashing every time I tried to stream this. So let's begin by doing this. Since I can only do this pre-recorded, might as well record this. Well, I suspect
Please, Sheriff.
none of these people had nothing to do with it, but then again, Bill
Do you want a drink?
will have.
Something to eat. Vivian makes a very nice, it's elegant. Really a carpaccio.
Yeah,
It's lobster. Sirloin.
I'm here for one reason, and it's not to eat your fucking food.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing?
He's gonna...
Mr. Wolf is our guest, and I have every intention of cooperating. So don't waste the silver. Sit down, Jersey. Well, Sheriff, for the sake of transparency, why don't you tell us why you're here? It would help settle everyone's nerves, I think.
You know why I'm here. You killed those women.
What women?
Faith and Lily, the girls who worked at the Pudding and Pie.
Did I now? I assume by your confidence in accusing me, you must have some proof of this, yes? Some allotment of evidence. A witness, perhaps.
Your servant over there told me you did it.
That's a fucking lie! I didn't say anything like that.
Fine.
All I said was that this was your town, and nothing wouldn't happen without your approval. All right? That's it.
If only that were true. Those women. I don't relish telling you that the killings were perpetrated by an employee of mine.
Of course, we know who this
It's a
employee
very
is.
unfortunate bit of business, but I promise you that the matter will be dealt with internally. I just want to settle the issue for you, and to assure you that it's over with.
An unfortunate bit of business. You're gonna tell me right now who killed him.
Sheriff, I have complete respect for you and your job. I hope you know that. I
Uh-huh.
simply can't
Yeah.
divulge that information.
After you try to shoot a silver bullet into him.
You really shouldn't worry yourself. As I said, I've got this under control.
No, I'm gonna deal with it right now.
Yeah, right. What do you think this is? Some kind of negotiation? The man said he'd take care of it.
I'm the law here, not you. Now tell me who did it.
You think I'm scared of you? You're nothing more
That's
than a...
enough. I was hoping it wouldn't come to this.
Tweedledee and
But
Tweedledum.
in the interest of preserving our alliance, if you have to know, it was Georgie.
Yeah, and then he confesses, but I don't see how he...
However, like I said, I'll be handling the matter if you don't mind.
Georgie.
You got what you wanted, so just...
Sit down. Now.
But it's kind of weird, though. Why would they set up Georgie?
Yeah, I killed him, so what?
Why'd you do it? Why kill them?
Does it matter?
Look, the fact is, George
He doesn't really-
misinterpreted one of my instructions.
Misinterpreted?
And I want to make things right. So, let's work something out.
What's there to work out? I'm protected, aren't I?
Your protection has limits, and I think you've far exceeded yours. But you could murder someone in cold blood like that.
You fucking asked me to do this.
And then
you told me
attempt
to
to
kill
blame
him.
me for it. You will be silent while we discuss what to do with you.
This is right, bollocks this. You're just gonna let him do this?
So what do you say, Sheriff? Can we discuss terms? You can have Georgie. Consider it a gift, ensuring our continued cooperation.
What the hell?
Take this fucker. Take all of them. I didn't fucking
Don't
start
make
this.
any trouble, Georgie.
Are you seriously throwing me under the fucking carriage?
No
No
deals.
deals. It's over, so get up.
I'd advise against that approach, Bigby.
You can't just hand me over. What the fuck is this shit? You said you'd cover for us.
For minor infractions, not murder.
Just go with him, Georgie. You're gonna sink us all.
What's wrong with you people? You're really gonna sell him out just like
You
that?
think I give a fuck if I'm the one? Who the shit do you think you fuckers
Just
are?
surrender.
Fuck out of
I do apologize, Sheriff, but I think it's best if you leave now.
There's no way I'm going with him. Are you kidding me?
Things are about to get unpleasant, and I would rather you weren't here to watch.
You can go join that whore at the bottom of the lake for all I give a shit. But he's not taking me anywhere. I'll roll over on the lot of you before I let that shit happen.
What are you saying?
I'm not going anywhere.
This could have gone so well.
Yeah, no matter what I do,
To speak the
No
truth,
matter
I've
what
never
I
been a
say.
very good mediator. Why negotiate when you can just decide?
Did I miss anything good? Well, look at you, all fixed up.
now I gotta beat them up, and this is not gonna be... And I gotta watch out for that knife, which is what they're gonna...
You're done, Wolf.
Come on, we're pretty much done here.
I'd like to say it was nice knowing you, but I'll be glad to see your insides turned out.
Yeah, because I'm gonna have to... Ah, really, Georgie? You had to do that. You made me do it.
This way.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Come on, Georgie.
Shit!
I know.
Now I gotta chase him. Oh yeah. Watch out for this. This is not going to be an easy fight. Alright, there we go. And we gotta... Oh, failed. Oh, really? BS. Now I gotta take the shortcut to the... Well, I only got a few seconds to get there, so I gotta make a decision. Up. Whooped.
Fuck!
I have to go with them. I would take the crooked man down, but it's not going to be that easy.
Take him off!
I can't.
I know that the crooked man may be responsible, but he's... Oh! Missed. Missed my chance to get a hit on them. Now, let's see what happens.
Gun it!
Are you sure?
Do it!
He's not moving.
Keep going!
I made my decision. Left or right, it doesn't matter. You'll still find them.
Come on.
Right. Fuck it!
Alright.